So I'm going in with the Mehron modeling putty / wax, and I'm scooping it out with this metal tool and just blending it onto my skin. You have to make sure it's really blended out nicely so that it looks flat onto your skin, so it looks more realistic. And then I'm making the cutout of the cross on my skin, doing it very carefully so I don't move any of the wax. Then I'm taking this devil horn from Spirit Halloween that I got a long time ago, and I'm sticking it on with spirit gum, making sure it does not get in my hairline. Then this is the Mehron Paradise 30 color palette, taking the red shade. I went on with a brush first and then blended it out better with a sponge. And then I just want to make sure it gets all over my chest and my neck, and later on I put a second layer on. And then I'm contouring with black eyeshadow, very easy. And then I'm taking the Smoke Show palette, which is now called Blowin Smoke, and I'm taking the shades Night Dream and Let's Do It, and I just put that in the cross. And then this is the Colourpop Swerve cream gel liner. I'm just filling in my brows, and then I'm taking those two shades again and then just putting them on my lid and lower lash line. Very easy look. I wanted to keep it very simple, and I just blended it out later on. And I think this is from Spirit Halloween, but it may be from Mehron, but it's just gel blood that I'm putting into my cross. And then I put on my eyelashes super quick, and then this is the Jaclyn Hill Beaming Light highlight in the shade Extra, which is my favorite. And then this is the Black Moon Cosmetics lipstick. I didn't do anything fancy with this. And then this is me here putting on the second coat, and then I just put more cream blood, and I put it on my lips. And then I wanted to make the horns look more realistic, so I just put some black shadow. And that's it for the look, you guys. I hope you enjoy, and this is my last one for the season. I'm so sad it's over, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.